Artificial intelligence has greatly transformed the way surveillance camera works, making it much easier to secure your home or property. So watch the video until the end to find out which features your security systems must have now. Starting with a crowd favorite, we're talking facial recognition. Facial recognition technology uses AI algorithms to analyze unique facial features. We're talking distance between the eyes, the shape of the jawline, and this is to identify any unique individuals. Think of it like the facial unlock feature on your smartphone, but on a larger scale. Security camera uses this technology to recognize whether someone is a resident, an employee, or a stranger. This can be used as part of your access control system to automatically open a door when the camera recognize the resident, or another example would be in retails. So if you have a picture of shoplifters, well, and they dare enter your store again, the camera will recognize them and you will be notified without alerting them at all. And there you have it, justice is served. Next would be motion detection, the king of false alarm. Well, not anymore. With AI, motion detection technology works by analyzing video frames to identify and track movement within a camera's field of view. So, traditional camera often trigger false alarm from things like shadows, blowing leaves, but AI-powered camera can differentiate between a human walking by and a tree branch swaying. So imagine you're in charge of monitoring a construction site and your security camera only alerts you when someone approaches the site rather than notifying you every time the wind blows. Honestly guys, this one is a game changer. Crossline detection can be a practical tool when used effectively. With AI, this feature allows you to set up virtual tripwires in the camera's view. If someone or something crosses this invisible line, the system triggers an alert. This is perfect for keeping track of restricted areas like the front gate of a secured facility. For instance, if someone crosses the line after dark in a restricted area, the camera sends an immediate alert, helping to prevent unauthorized access. So, and I'm sure everyone knows that scene in the movie where someone jumps the fence while the security guard is like this looking away. With this, yeah, that's not happening. Human detection technology is designed to specifically recognize human shapes and movement, filtering out other irrelevant movements. So this means the camera won't alert you for cats, dogs, passing cars, but it will notify you if someone is walking up to the entrance of your building. So it's like having a smart guard dog that knows the difference between a squirrel and a potential intruder. Staying in the specific detection, let's talk about vehicle detection. Vehicle detection uses AI to identify cars, trucks, or other vehicles within the camera's view, distinguishing them from pedestrian and other objects. So this one is particularly useful in parking lots or driveways where you want to monitor vehicle activity specifically. For example, the camera can alert you when the unauthorized car pulls into your private parking lot, helping you to keep tabs on visitors and potential intruders. Not only that, but you can search for car by specific colors and even car make. Again, this becomes a great tool for you to report an incident if something happens. But knocking on wood, nothing will happen to you or your business. Since we're talking about vehicles, we need to cover license plate recognition. LPR utilizes sophisticated image processing to automatically read and record vehicle license plates as they pass by the camera. This technology is similar to speed cameras on the highway, but for your business. For instance, if you have a gated community, LPR can automatically open the gate for recognized vehicles and alert security if an unknown vehicle tries to enter. Maybe a less known feature, but still really helpful in many situations, it's heat mapping. Heat mapping analyzes activity levels within a camera's view to create a visual heat map that shows the most frequented areas. This is especially helpful in retail stores for understanding customer behavior, or also in large properties to identify which camera are most trafficked. Imagine a map where the busiest spot lights up in red, helping you understand where to focus your security efforts or optimize your store layouts. Well, with this, you have it. Now this one can be a more sci-fi-ish, but stick with me. I'm talking about behavior analysis. This goes beyond simple detection by monitoring patterns and behaviors, such as loitering, crowd formation, or aggressive actions. The AI-driven technology doesn't see the movement, it understands the context of what's happening. Imagine a camera system at a public event that spots a person acting suspiciously, like someone repeatedly looking around nervously, walking back and forth. Well, this understands what's happening. The system can flag this unusual behavior and send an alert to security personnel for a closer look, potentially preventing a crime before it even happens. Another advanced feature of behavior analysis is weapon detection. This involves the system recognizing objects that resemble weapons, such as guns or knife, and identifying aggressive movements associated with violence. For example, if someone suddenly raises their arm in a shooting stance, or if a camera detects a shiny gun-like object in someone's hand, the AI can trigger an alert, immediately preventing what could have been a tragedy. Think of it that way. Behavior analysis is information that is fed to your system to understand a situation. We talked about weapon detection, but it can also be hands-up detection, meaning as soon as someone raises their arms abruptly, it will send an alarm. You can even teach your system to recognize thievery. If someone walks into your shop, put an object from the shelf into his pocket, you will receive an instant alarm and you will intercept the thief before he can even think about leaving your store. So again, this is what we're talking about when we're looking at AI products. As you can see, AI transforms CCTV camera from simple recording devices into intelligent security tools capable of precise detection and analysis. By understanding how these advanced features work, you can make a more informed decision about your security needs and leverage AI to enhance your safety. Whether it's recognizing face, detecting vehicle, analyzing behaviors like raising my hand or running around, AI is reshaping security in ways that both are impressive and essential for modern protection. And you may have noticed, but we have on the table a camera from Anwa Vision. And guys, all the AI features we covered today, well, they are part of the Anwa product. So you can find exactly what you need on their website if you're looking for a specific camera with a certain AI. This one specifically, we're talking about AI camera thermal radio matrix. We're gonna release a video about it really soon. All right, guys, we are Pipl System. I am Jeremy. Like our channel, subscribe to our channel. We do this for you guys, for you to learn how security systems work in the best way possible, while also showcasing different features for your specific business. All right, guys, see you on the next one.